Welcome home to first-floor low-maintenance living in the charming Claiborne Community. This end-unit condo features a large primary suite with large vanity, primary closet and shower/tub. Large secondary bedroom with separate full bath. Open floor plan offers combo dining room and living room. Kitchen has lots of natural light and an eat-in area. Extra room off of kitchen is suited for a den, office or formal living room. Enjoy the easy access, all doors wider than 32, and the covered front porch. The Claiborne Community features a clubhouse with exercise room, sidewalks, walking trail, and a pond. This condo is within a short distance of La Tolteca and Patriot Plaza, within 3 minutes of the Premium Outlet Mall and 3 miles to Colonial Williamsburg,